Your flooring doesn't just appear in your house. I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions, and I'm here with Matt from Floor Coverings International. And today we're going to walk through what the whole process from start to finish might look like if you want to remodel your kitchen and do the floors at the same time. And we're going to use our partnership as companies as an example of how this whole process could work. Other companies do it differently, so it's going to be important for you to ask lots of questions on what this looks like. But this will be an example to give you an idea of what things you should be considering. If you find this information helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever we post new videos. So we're going to cover this in two main phases. The first is the consultation and planning phase, and the second will be the construction phase. So typically for the planning phase, you would start by meeting with a JSB design consultant. They would come out to your house, talk about your needs, your wants, what you want to do with your space, and then you would come into our showroom and pick out materials and selections. When you decide that you want to move forward and remodel your kitchen, then you would decide if you want to do your floor at the same time. If you decide, yes, I want to do my floors, we would refer you to Floor Coverings International to meet with them and choose your floor.
Thanks, Callie. We would come out and meet with you after you've entered into your contract with JSB. We would have a little bit of information ahead of time from your meetings with them in regards to what you might be looking for flooring-wise, what spaces do you want to do it in. Then we'll set up a consultation to come out and meet with you. One of our design consultants will come out. We bring our mobile showroom, we bring the samples. We kind of understand what you're looking for from a product perspective, what spaces are going to be in. And we sit down, we have a conversation with you. We're able to build a couple different estimates depending on which product that you might like best. And then once we move forward together, we order the materials. We work with the production team at JSB to know, hey, these are the installation dates that it's going to be available after the countertop, after the cabinets are put in place. Then we'll come in and do the flooring in the kitchen, and maybe it's the entire first floor. And we have a really good flow with our production team to make sure that everything's set up and ready to go, to make sure that your project and your flooring install goes off seamlessly and falls within the timeline of your project. And the nice part is you as the homeowner, you really don't have to do a whole lot of anything. We handle all that for you. We work with them directly to make sure that everything's scheduled, ordered, and everything's on time to make sure that your project and your remodel stays on schedule.
One important piece to keep in mind here is that when you choose to do a kitchen remodel this way with our team, you're going to sign two contracts. One will be a JSB contract that covers the cabinets and the demo and the rest of the kitchen remodel. The second contract will be for your flooring only, and we do it this way because it ends up saving you, the homeowner, money. And it really doesn't change anything on the production side of things. So you don't have to manage us working together. You don't have to manage the construction timelines. You just sign two contracts and save money. All right, phase two of your project is the construction phase. And for this piece, when your project gets started, JSB is gonna come out and remove all of the materials that are getting removed, demo the space, and we're gonna set your new cabinets in place. Next, the countertop company is gonna come out and they're gonna measure and template for your new countertops. And there's a week downtime when the countertop company is going to be fabricating your new countertop. And typically, that week's downtime is the perfect time to bring in flooring and put it in your new kitchen.
Yeah, so once we have the timeline from the production team, we will schedule with the homeowner, with JSB, to let them know when we're going to be there. Typically, we have about a week's working time to come in and get the flooring done before the countertop company comes back. But the demo's been completed. We can inspect the subfloor to make sure that the substrate is with the level of flatness that we need for depending on the type of flooring that we're installing. And then we install your floors. We make sure that it looks good. We make sure that it's done properly. We make sure that JSB is happy as well. And we make sure that at the end of the day that the project stays on schedule for your remodel to be completed on time.
And then after that week, the countertops will be placed and installed, and then backsplash can go up and we can come out and install any more lighting or fixtures or any of the rest of the pieces that are going to complete your remodel project. So just to recap, there's two main phases of your project. You'll have the planning and consultation phase, and you'll have the construction phase. And the benefit of working with companies who work closely together like this is we take care of all of the behind the scenes work. We make sure the timelines are lined up, we make sure we're aligned on quality standards and homeowner expectations. But you get the benefit of saving the money by hiring two companies separately that work closely together.
And from the construction side of your flooring, we're going to make sure that it's done properly. We're going to make sure that it's done on time, within budget, and that you end up with the result that you want, and that keeps your project on schedule as your space continues to get remodeled.
So make a smart choice today so that you can love your home tomorrow. And always remember to dream big and remodel smart.